Here are the top 5 ways you can avoid slips, trips, and falls in your salon. Number 1. Keep traffic areas clean, clear, and dry. Question: why are salons and spas so susceptible to slips, trips, and fall injuries? The answer lies in the combination of heavy foot traffic and the extensive use of water, oils, and liquids. Heavy traffic areas include hallways, treatment rooms, and common areas. Always keep these areas clean, clear, and dry. Hair care products, spray tanning solutions, and even soapy water can create slick, slippery surfaces, which are often very hard for anyone to see. So pay special attention to floors, equipment surfaces, seating areas, handrail supports, and even door handles. The employees who are responsible for cleaning and sanitizing equipment should receive special instructions on how to properly clean these areas. Number 2. Ensure your salon is well lit, inside and outside. What does this salon and these two gentlemen have in common? Well, they are both well lit. Now these guys are going to fall down no matter what, but for your sober customers, good lighting can reduce accidents and even help you avoid a lawsuit. To create a relaxing spa-like experience, salons often dim their lights, especially in treatment rooms. While this can certainly help with ambiance, it can also make it more difficult for your customers to see, increasing their chances of having an accident. So make sure you provide ways for customers to adjust lighting when they are dressing, undressing, entering, or exiting a treatment area. Also, make sure that the lobby, hallways, common areas, and the salon entrances and exits are well lit and clear of any debris and obstacles at all times. 3. Use non-slip rugs. Most salons and spas have high-gloss tile flooring, and while they're easy to clean, they can also be extremely slippery, especially if it's raining or snowing outside. That's why you need to install non-slip rugs. No, not that kind of rug. This kind. Regardless of how well or how often you clean your salon, non-slip rugs are essential to help keep your employees and customers injury-free. Place them at all entrances and exits, where they will help reduce the amount of water and grime dragged in on shoes, making it safer for everyone. 4. Secure all power cords. Look familiar? Yep, power cords are everywhere, which means tripping hazards are everywhere. So it's important to check every area of your salon to make sure that all power cords are secured and away from foot traffic. This includes extension and power cords used on ancillary spa and wellness devices, fans, appliances, coffee makers, as well as internet and phone cords. If possible, run cords under rugs or securely tape them down to the floor. 5. Use caution signs and address hazards immediately. All spills, slick areas, and potentially hazardous situations should be addressed immediately. No delays and no excuses. Problem areas such as continuously wet or damp floors, loose floor tiles, or anything hazardous that cannot be fixed immediately should be clearly marked with a beautifully bright-colored and easy-to-read OSHA-approved caution sign. Customers should be instructed on how to avoid these areas so they can safely move around your salon. It's often easy to discard spills, uneven floors, and a few cords tracking across the floor. But remember that slips, trips, and falls are the #1 cause of workers' compensation and customer-initiated claims. Injuries range from minor cuts and bruises to lacerations, broken bones, and severe head injuries. Although most of these accidents are preventable, it does require everyone at your salon to be proactive and take the necessary steps to prevent a hazardous situation before it develops. Well, that's our top 5. For more information, visit Universal Insurance at uiprograms.com.